Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. My name is Olatek, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create Nigerian PayPal account, how to verify it, and how to link it to your Paga account. I'm also going to show you how to create Paga account and how to link it to your PayPal account so that you can be able to be receiving payment to your PayPal account and from your PayPal account to your Paga account, and from your Paga account directly to your local bank account. So stay with me on this video. I'm actually going to show you how to do all those. Okay, now the first thing to do is to come to your browser. I'm actually making use of Chrome browser. Okay, so come to your browser, then you type paypal.com/ng. I've already typed that, so I'm going to just tap on enter to load it. Okay, so once it has loaded, it's going to take you to this PayPal account, which is for Nigerians. Okay, so all you have to do is just to tap on sign up for free. Okay, tap on it, just allow it to load. Then you put in your email that you want to be using to receive funds. Okay, so the email you put in here is going to be the same email you are going to be using to receive funds. Okay, so let's say for instance somebody want to send you fund to your paper, the person is going to request for your email, so put your email here and click on next. So after you click on next, it's actually going to ask you some details about you, so you make sure you put every single details correctly and you sign up for the account. So I've actually signed up for my own account, so I'm just going to log in and show you guys. So I've logged in my account. Okay, so now once you have created your account, it's going to show around here that you should verify your email. So you go to your email and you tap on the link they sent to you to verify your email. After doing that, then you're actually going to see around here that you should complete your KYC. But if you are not seeing that, just tap on this. Okay, tap on settings. Okay, I don't think it's going to be showing here, but it's going to actually display that to you that you should complete your KYC, right? So all you have to do is just to upload your NIN front and back. Okay, you upload your NIN front and back, then you submit. So after doing that, your PayPal account is going to be verified, and now you can go ahead to create Paga account, because you cannot actually use this PayPal account to receive funds until you link your Paga account with this PayPal account. Okay, so now the next thing to do is to go to your Play Store and download Paga app. Okay, search for Paga, tap on it, then you tap on install to install the app. So if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm also going to show you how to be making money to your PayPal account. So I'm actually going to drop an update, okay, at the end of this video that will show you how to make money to your PayPal account. Easy peasy, free money. So you can take this time and subscribe to my channel, like this video if it is interesting. Okay, so let's wait for the app to download. So once the app has installed, tap on open to open the app. Okay, then tap on sign up. Okay, Nigerian account, tap on NGN account. Okay, then you put in your phone number. Okay, then you tap on send code. So I'm going to be sending this code to WhatsApp because that's actually going to come fast. Okay, tap on WhatsApp. Then you check your WhatsApp and you put in the 5-digit code sent to your WhatsApp. Okay, so let me quickly do that. So just tap on turn on notification, or just tap on turn on notification, then you turn on all this, you go back to the app. Now it's asking for my NIN. I'm going to put it. So put in your NIN and tap on get verified. Now it's going to ask you that it's actually going to tell you that you should allow access to your camera, so tap on allow access. I think they want to do a liveness check, so tap on allow access while using the app. Then I'm going to do the facial verification right now. Okay, I'm going to pause this video and do that. As you can see, submission complete. Now tap on continue. Okay, now this place is very, very important. Your PayPal account, the email you used to create your PayPal account should be the same email you are going to put in here. Okay, so I'm actually going to put the same email I used for my PayPal account. Don't forget this, please. Okay, then you put in password, you create your own password, then you tap on continue. So I'm actually going to do that and continue the video. Now they said I should enter my phone number that is linked to my NIN, so I'm going to put that and tap on verify NIN. So after putting every required details, it's going to prompt you to where you are going to put in your state, your city. Then after putting in every single details, then you tap on continue. Now it's going to take you to where you are going to create your own Paga username. So I'm actually going to tap on this, then put my user. I want my username to be Olatech. Okay, then I will tap on I like this. Okay, Olatech is already taken, so I'm going to let's see. Okay, so I like this. Sharp. So my Paga account has been created, and this is my Paga account number. So tap on go to dashboard. So now they are asking me of my phone number linked to my NIN, so I'm going to put that again. So as you can see, my Paga account has been created. So just tap on this, I will explore on my own. Okay, so now to link your PayPal, all you have to do is just tap on this Naira account, tap on it, and tap on this PayPal account, tap on the plus icon. Okay, now they're asking me for my BVN, so I'm actually going to provide that. Tap on provide BVN, then put your BVN number here and tap on verify BVN. So I'm going to do that. So as you can see, BVN verification completed. Now tap on the Naira account, tap on the plus icon for the PayPal account. Okay, they said I should verify my email, so go to your email and tap on the link sent to you. I'm going to do that just now. My email. Okay, just allow you to load. So tap on this Paga. You have been upgraded, stuff. You. So tap on. Okay, wait. The first one. Okay, I think I need to request for the link first. So let me go back to. Sorry. So tap verify email. Okay, they have sent a code to my email, so now I'm actually going to check for the code. Okay, so this is the code. Okay, just tap on verify my email address. Wait, I'm supposed to see the code around here so that I can input the code, but then okay, I think this is the code 22370. After this equal sign 22370. Let me try that. Nope, it's not working. Let me check for the code again. Or let me tap on this verify my email address and see what is going to pop up. So it says congratulations, your email has been verified. So I can now go back to the app. Let me come back to the app and okay, just reload and tap on this Naira account, tap on the PayPal, Now it's working now. Now tap on connect PayPal. Okay, so stay with me to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how to be making money to your PayPal account. That's if you actually yeah, stay with me to the end of the video. Now log in your PayPal account. Okay, I'm going to log in my PayPal account. So put in your PayPal login details and log in. So it's actually going to display this verification check to you. So we are going to do the verification and proceed. So they have sent they said enter the 6-digit security code from your authenticator. Okay, I actually protected my PayPal with an authentication app. That's Google Authenticator. So I'm going to copy the code from my authenticator app and put it here. So as you can see, just scroll up and tap on agree to agree and connect. Okay, I need to make sure my PayPal phone number is also the same as the phone number I used to create this account. So let me make changes. So after I have made sure the phone number linked to my PayPal account and my Paga account is the same, then the account has been linked successfully. So tap on continue. Okay, so tap on I will explore on my own. So just cancel all these ones. So now you can now use your PayPal account to receive funds. Okay, this your Nigerian PayPal account can now receive funds, and you are now going to be able to withdraw to your Paga account, and then from your Paga account to your local bank account. Okay, so now as I've actually promised that if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to be making money to your PayPal account. Now let me come to your Chrome browser. I'm actually going to drop another link. Tap on that plus icon to open another tab. Okay, so I'm going to drop a link that's going to take you to a Discord server. So copy that link in the description box of this video, and also I'm going to drop it on my community, so you can actually join my community to copy the link, or you should check the description box of this video. Okay, so or the comment section, I'm actually going to drop the link. So now copy the update link and paste it here. Okay, so paste the link and search for it. Just allow it to load. So it's going to take you to Discord. So you download the Discord app and create account. So but if you already have Discord account already, you don't need to create another account. You just log into your own account, tap on accept invite, and then so I've actually downloaded Discord app on my phone already. That's why it took me directly to the Discord app. Okay, so now tap on register to register your Discord app. But if you have already registered on Discord, just log in your account. Okay, now I'm actually going to tap on email. I want to create account with email and create account with okay. So I'm actually going to create account on Discord. So I will choose my username, LaTeX Trader. Then create my password. So put in my date of birth and tap on create an account. Okay, let me let me try and, because I actually have account on Discord, that's why you're seeing this. So let me try and put in more. Let me put in another details. Tap on register. Okay, so I'm about to finish creating a new account. So now tap on confirm. So I'm going to complete this verification. It says select products you can buy at the location in the reference. So this is a store, and they are now telling me that I should select any items here that I can buy in the store. So I can actually buy apple from this mini store, apple. So let's check. Tap on next. So tap on apple, then verify. So tap on allow. So as you can see, my account has been created. So tap on this keep at the top right. So just tap on any of these to set as your profile picture. Tap on next. So well, my account has been created. Now the link is supposed to take me to a particular server, but it did not. So let me go and recopy the link and reload it on my browser. Okay. So tap on the link, tap on accept invite, then tap on accept invite. So it's going to take us to the Discord server. Okay. Now I'm from Africa, so I'm actually going to choose Africa. Tap on Africa. So then next. So just select any of these ones randomly and tap on next. Here I'm actually going to make use of my mobile phone. Tap on mobile, next. So are you going to agree our terms and conditions? Tap on yes and next. Finish. So I've actually joined the server. So it's on this server you are going to be making the money. So now how do you make money on this server? You talk to earn. You talk to earn, okay? And each 1 hour you talk on this server, each 1 hour you spend to talk on this server, or let me say each 1 hour you spend on this server to talk is actually going to attract $1 to you. So you make $1 per hour, which you can actually withdraw to your paper. Then from your paper, sorry. So then you can now withdraw from your paper to your Paga account. Then from your Paga account to your local bank account. I'm actually going to drop a link. I'm going to drop a link in the description box of this video below. I'm going to drop a link. So tap on the link. It's going to take you to my community, and it's going to take you to a video guide that is actually going to explain to you how to be making money on this Discord server, which you can actually withdraw to your PayPal, and then from your PayPal to your Paga, then from your Paga account to your local bank account. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.